And we are back for one more video. Last time we completed episode number 94 and 95. And in those episodes we saw a match between Jackie Chun and we completed the match. It already started in the previous episode. The episode before the previous one. So it completed in the previous episode. Previous video. And then a match between Krillin and Goku has started, but Jackie Chun has chose Tien as his successor of some kind for motivating the rising martial artists. And Jackie Chun has told Tien to change his ways and become a good person, but Tien said that he is a killer like Tao. But Jackie Chan thinks that he doesn't have the qualities of a killer, because he is compassionate and he doesn't really kill anybody, because he hurt Nam and others but didn't really kill anybody. So Master Roshi believes that he doesn't have the qualities of a killer. So that's why Master Roshi says that he needs to take over the Jackie Chan's role. He thinks that he is that powerful that he can challenge the rising martial artist. And then we saw a match between Krillin and Goku, and Krillin is giving a good fight, but I really think that Goku is not giving putting all his strength in his punches, because Krillin, I don't really think, I thought at first that Krillin was not as powerful as Chaozu. He was not as powerful as Chaozu, but he used his mind to defeat Chaozu. But I really don't think that he can beat Goku in any sense, neither in mind nor in power. Goku is both, his battle IQ is also good, and he has pretty much, he can defeat the whole planet. So Goku is going to win this easily if he puts all of his power, but he don't really want to put it in because he don't want to hurt his friend. So let's watch this episode and see if Goku uses his whole power or how else he defeats Krillin. So let's hop into the episode number 96. Let's go.
Still, I can't help but wonder if Goku isn't holding back a bit.
मग तेच तर म्हणून राहिलो मी, Goku is holding back. Even Master Roshi can tell it. हा चालत चालत, अबे तो चालत चालत करू राहिला. अरे बेकार. नरड्यावर बसवली त्याने डायरेक्ट. हा ना, 10 पर्यंत मोजणं. उठला गिटला तर काही सांगता येते काय? क्रिलिन बाबू उठ ना, उठ 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 उठ. उठला, चल रे बाबू.
You didn't think I'd let you win that easy.
हे बाबू, तू गेला होता कामातून. अच्छा, मी म्हणलं हे करते का मी. अरे बेकार, कम दिली. गप 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 गप. गोकुला एवढं कठीण काऊन चाललंय याला मारणं. हाय बेकार. या म्हाताऱ्याला मारा रे बा कोणी.
All right, Goku, get ready. counterattack.
म्हणजे कसा? हे कोणता काउंटर अटॅक होता? तूच तर काउंटर झाला याच्यात.
Goku,
हा.
you better prepare yourself.
अरे घे रे वा ये. हा प्रिपेअर्ड.
Krillin, don't! That wave doesn't work on me. If you use it, you'll just waste more energy.
त्यानं पहिले सांगितलं त्याच्यावर काम नाही करत. भाऊ सरळ हातातच पकडते. वा भाऊची पॉवर. अच्छा क्रिलिन मागून येऊन त्याला मारणार आहे. वा क्रिलिन हल्ला तिथून.
It wouldn't work.
क्रिलिन आहेच नाही इथं. अबे
I did it! Sorry, Goku, but let's face it, your tail is your only weakness.
His weakness.
अबे सांगितलं कायले.
I win!
Smart, Krillin. Not very nice, but smart.
अबे पण सांगितलं काऊन.
I knew the Kamehameha wave would distract you so I could sneak up from behind.
अबे आता TN ले माहित पडलं ना. आता TN वापरांना तेच गोष्ट. अबे कम मॅट आहे का बे तू. अबे TN तुले मारून टाकन. स्वतःले जिंकाची एवढी हे आहे काय.
Goku is collapsed on the stage and appears to be unconscious. This could be the end of the match.
कम बोगस आहे रे बा. भाऊ पुढचा विचार करते का नाही. त्यानं पाहिलं ना यामच्याचा काय हाल झाला म्हणून. त्याला खरंच वाटते का तो यामच्यापेक्षा पॉवरफुल आहे म्हणून. गोकू
And 8.
गोकू
9.
काय करू राहिला.
This is it!
Hey, announcer. Nice hair. Thank you. It does have a nice sheen, doesn't it? What am I doing?
हे काय झालं.
What the?
अबे
Surprise? I've been working it out.
That's impossible! You can't handle your tail being grabbed. I know for a fact you'll lose your energy.
Not anymore. I got tired of people grabbing my tail, so I spent the last 3 years training it.
ओ आप्पाजीनं म्हटलं होतं का टेल तुझी विकनेस आहे म्हणून. म्हणून त्यानं टेलले ट्रेन केला. आता त्याच्या टेलले कोणी हात लावला तर काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही होत.
My tail always seemed to get in the way, but Master Roshi told me the only way to make things better was to work it out, so I did.
That's typical.
Go ahead and squeeze it again. It's okay.
I think I did mention something about that in passing. What do you know? They do listen.
आता भाऊले शेफ्टीची भीती नाही.
How do you fight a warrior without a weakness?
आता रे बाबू. वा भाऊची विकनेस अजूनही कॉमन सेन्स आहे.
Is not on today's menu.
That wasn't nice. In case you hadn't noticed, I'm not here to be nice.
भाऊ घाबरला. तू नाही बिघडू शकत रे बा त्याचं काही. हे काय करू आला. अबे काही गार्ड वगैरे काही नाही आहे असं डायरेक्ट. हे अरे क्रिलिन भाऊ झालाय सिरियस. क्रिलिनला काही घेणं देणं नाही आता. गोकुले भुक्की मारून कोणी खुश होणार आहे.
By the ever surprising Krillin. Rebound.
But you just...
झाला आता.
saw that.
आता गोकू सिरियस झाला. आता क्रिलिनचं काही हे नाही.
You.
आता गेला क्रिलिन कामातून. वरही नाही है.
Still here? Show yourself. Goku!
अबे वरही नाही है.
In what is arguably the most amazing
Huh?
feat ever performed on this stage.
कधी वर असते तो.
Appeared right before our very eyes.
अबे
This isn't funny.
He's vanished.
आवाज येऊ राहिला. आवाज कसा येऊ राहिला.
Get it out. Goku!
देअर सम नॉइज.
It's astounding.
व्हॉट इज दॅट नॉइज.
I've witnessed people disappearing before, but never for this length of time.
I can hear something, but
Wait. It's his speed. He's moving so fast, it gives the illusion that he's disappeared. Fantastic way to disorient your opponent. Is there
अबे
an end to this boy's skill?
पण मी काय म्हणतो, जर त्यानं लाल शर्ट घातलाय त्याचा लाल शर्टाचा ब्लर तर दिसायला पाहिजे.
It's a flawless approach.
पूर्ण कसा काय इनविजिबल होणार आहे. मग तर फ्लॅश पेक्षा जास्त. भावले माराची गरज नाही पडली. केलं झालं.
Goku has reappeared.
अरे
Krillin is out. Goku's the winner. Yeah.
Oh, right.
Krillin, who seemingly dominated Goku through most of the fight, now appears completely flabbergasted after his fall from the ring. A surprising end to a sensational match.
अबे काय एंड झाला हा. फाईट.
The fight was anticlimactic and completely out of any
हा ना मलाही वाटलं.
I didn't understand a word you said.
The poor reaction from the audience is further evidence of Goku's brilliant attack. But while they focused on his scare tactic, they missed the 8-punch assault that followed. Not to mention the power kick that sent Krillin flying out of the ring.
Now the fun begins. I hope you enjoy this small victory, Goku. It will be your last.
एवढे पंच and kick.
Goku has demonstrated remarkable progress. Let's just hope it's enough to get him through his next battle. Alive.
अरे आता पाहिलं ना.
Today's event. Join us here tomorrow for the final match.
काय मॅच होती रे बाबा.
Of martial arts.
So we have completed episode number 96 and the result was as expected. Krillin lost and we got to see Goku's more power. I still think that Goku didn't use his full power, because if Goku used his full power then Krillin wouldn't be standing. He did kicked and punched him 6 to 8 times. Only TN and the experts saw that move. He was running very fast and everything. Even Krillin didn't saw that. Nobody saw anything other than he doing except that nobody saw anything else. So yeah, I really think that Goku is still holding back, and now in the finals he is going to go full on against Tien because of the everything, because of Nam and Yamcha, their revenge. He will be hurting Tien very badly. That I really think that is going to happen. So yeah, let's hop into the episode number 97, and let's see what happens. Let's go. Episode number 97. एवढे फटाके रे बाबा फायनल मॅच साठी.
Anticipation as the final match of the 22nd World Martial Arts Tournament begins today. Last tournament's second place winner Goku will take on the volatile Tien Shinhan in what promises to be an exciting battle. If you aren't here, you should be.
तू काय आली व काय पाहिजे आता तुला?
Yamcha? Huh? Yamcha?
अबे
How strange.
अरे भाऊ स्वतः जाऊन पाहणार आहे फायनल.
Tien, are you?
भाऊ तर आपला अलगच जगात चालू आहे भाऊचं. गोकू तू हारवू शकतो का रे बा?
Let's go.
The final match in the World Martial Arts Tournament is
दुग 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 दुग. Let's go!
advance to the semi-finals. Now there are but two fighters remaining. One of which will become the new master of martial arts.
Watch closely. You may never see a fight like this again.
Right.
चला रे वा. आता सगळ्यात बेस्ट फाईट आहे आतापर्यंतची.
Begin!
चला रे वा. पहिला अटॅक गोकू भाऊन केला. अय अय हय काय फिरला.
Oh no!
नाही तो हवेत उडू शकते. तो हवेत उडू शकते. गोकूचं चुकलं. अबे डोडॉन रे सरळ मारून आला. अरे बेकार. ठीक आहे गोकुले काही जास्त फरक एवढं जोरात आपटला म्हणजे जास्त काही फरक नाही पडत. गोकू वर तर येऊनच जाईन.
He shouldn't scare us like
खोदू राहिला काय
it'll take more than a little fall to
असा किती खाली गेला. एवढा लवकर थोडी जाणार आहे. फायनल आहे ना.
He's vanished again! Truly one of Goku's greatest techniques!
आहे है वापस इनविजिबल वाला.
Now you'll learn what it means to suffer the wrath of Tien Shinhan!
अरे 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 अरे.
Admit
अबे बस ना
It's like a machine.
गोकू काही तर कर.
The only thing more gratifying than watching you suffer
गोकू
is knowing you're
उठतं काय?
Tao is smiling right
गोकू
Has Goku met his defeat? Will Tien claim his vengeance and the championship? The action continues next time on Dragon Ball.
And we have completed episode number 96 and 97. And the match started. Goku did hit him first. But then what happened to Goku? I don't know. He just went. I mean, yes, he really not think that Tien can fly in the air? He went straight up while Tien was floating in the air. He can move just as freely in air as on the land. I mean, Goku went straight at him and then he shot him with Doron, and when that hit Goku, everything went downhill. So we have to see in the next episode only there now. I really don't know how it is going to, result in. I mean, what will happen next, because now I think that Goku is really pretty much unconscious now, because Tien has hit him so hard. I mean, Goku is strong, but Tien is just as strong as Goku. I mean, Tien is more strong than Yamcha. So, because his solar flare during the fight with Master Roshi, that was very good. So what is going to happen? Because I really don't think that his punches much affected Goku, because we really we will be seeing some technique he uses against Goku. He is not going to defeat Goku just by punches. He did use Dodon Ray against Goku, but we still need to see some new techniques against Goku. So I think that Goku is not defeated yet, but I really want to believe that Goku is not defeated yet, but by the looks of it, I am thinking that there might be some chances that Goku is or will be defeated. So yeah, let's just meet in the next video, and until then, enjoy. Bye bye.